Join us today as we inspect and test a custom-built automatic fabric roll packaging line. This system automatically measures fabric roll width and diameter to match packaging dimensions, integrates main and side sealing into a single process, and enhances packaging efficiency while reducing material waste and ensuring a consistent, professional appearance. It also features automatic labeling and data output, streamlining downstream sorting operations. Furthermore, it integrates seamlessly with a eye-based fabric inspection and automatic sorting systems to create a fully automated production workflow, capable of packaging up to 7 rolls per minute. It helps textile mills reduce labor requirements and boost overall productivity. Follow us to learn more.